Hey guys, today on Just the Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to do a skin fade without hard lines to cut down on time.
It's Just the Tip Tuesday with Jared Gilbert at the Dapperton Barber Shop.
So today on Just the Tip Tuesday, I'm going to show you how to cut down on your fade time without creating hard lines that are hard to get rid of. Pretty much what I do is I start off a regular haircut with a top fade. So obviously he has a hard part. So I started off with my 3.5 clip up top, took down all the layer, okay? Then started gradually going down from a 2 to a 1.5 to a 1, okay? And then blended that out with a 000 on the bottom. Then later on, I went back in and faded back up after I faded down with my liner and my pro foil. I also laid it down with the pro foil and came back, scraped really hard with the liner. I think personally, sometimes this is easier than doing a real tight line and levels because the bottom is the hardest to get rid of that line, that bottom line. Usually, you know, obviously if you're doing a foil or a liner, that is gonna be what you're mainly using to try to get that out. Whether you're sitting there with the corners and trying to massage it out. This way, you pretty much get everything tight to the head, do your bottom line first, and then bring your bottom and top together. So with that being said, today's tip was just to not establish hard lines, blend it out quick, and make it easier for yourself. I'd like to thank Greg for being a great model, and we'll see you soon. Oh, Jesus Christ.